Want to know how to find friends in MoonPay? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your MoonPay application. And now once you've done that here, you should be seeing or you should be welcomed with this home screen right here. So make sure you have logged in order to see this screen. Now you can just simply scroll all the way down. And once you've done it here, you should be seeing under payments, you should be seeing find friends. So just simply select find friends on top right here. And once I've done that, another window should open up. And now you can just simply sort your friends by moon tag, or you can also sync contacts by selecting sync contacts right here. And that's it, super simple and easy. This is how you can add or find friends in MoonPay. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.